The Sangken festival is celebrated in Arunachal Pradesh and parts of Assam, India, as the traditional New Year and is celebrated for 3 days by the Theravada Buddhist communities. Sangken generally falls in the month of Nyeon Ha, the fifth month of the year of the Khamti lunar calendar, coinciding with the month of April. The main attraction of the festival is splashing clean water, which is the symbol of peace and purity. Before the beginning of the Sangken festival, a temporary shrine called Kyongphra is constructed for keeping the idols of Buddha during Sangken. On the first day and at an auspicious time, the idols of Lord Buddha are taken out of the shrine, given a ceremonial bath, and placed in the Kyongphra to the accompaniment of drums and cymbals. On the final day of the Sangken festival, the idols are taken back to their original places, and this marks the end of the old year. The new year is welcomed with community prayers and feast during the Poi Sangken, celebrated after the end of the festival.